In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the order of your names on Facebook. So if you want to change your name order, it is pretty simple. Just head over here to the photo profile and tap on it to open the menu. Under this, look for the setting option, which is this. And then this will take you to Meta Account Center. Go ahead and tap here. Under this, you will see profiles, and this will show all the profiles that you have. To expose them, go ahead and tap on profiles, and then choose the account you want to change the order of names. For my case, I want to change the order of names on this account, the first account. I'll go ahead and tap on it, and then under this, tap on name. As you can see, the order of name is said to be Mark as the first name and last name to be Seth. However, I'd like to interchange this. To do so, go ahead and tap on change order of name, and then tap on it. And now you can see the current format is here, and then we have the second format, which is interchanged. So I'd like it to be Seth Mark. I'll go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on save changes. So the update has been done successfully, and now you can see the order of my name has been changed. So that's how you can easily change your order name on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.